G'day guys, Wayne and Judy here from Down Under. What we're about to give you a demonstration here is, this is a White Rotary cabinet that we picked up. This was delivered yesterday. So you can see here that this is as it's found. We've got obviously a pot or a pot plant's been put on there. We've got some scratches over here. We've got some bark off there. And just in general, it's looking pretty tired. You know, even here you can see some patches. A few borer holes possibly in there. So I'm going to show you what we do for our initial treatment to give us an indication of the actual condition of the machine. So you can see here we've got pale boiled linseed oil. This is a treated linseed oil that actually dries hard. And this time we're using 00 steel wool. So just to have a little look at this area here. Now this looks pretty bad. So as you can see, we don't use a lot there. So what's happened is with the treatment over the years, all the shellac that was on this has actually deteriorated. And in some places you can see here it's a bit patchy, and here it's just about gone. So what I'm hoping is we're going with the grain, that as we do this, it's going, the shellac that's there, it's going to rejuvenate that shellac. And I'm hoping that where we've got some discoloured shellac here, this eventually will mix with the pale boiled oil and actually go into the new pale boiled oil. So you can see already we've got the beautiful honey tones are coming through already. So that with just, as you can see, a couple of minutes effort, with the use of very, very little oil. So you saw it was probably about 2 tablespoons. But with the use of very, very little oil, again going with the grain, so this first coat is going to soak in extremely well. So you can see already that it's pretty darn dry. So this will soak in. And while we're doing that, we'll do this little section here. So once again you can see it's only about a tablespoon of pale boiled oil. So this 500 mils will do about 5 of these cabinets. So once again going with the grain. So where you've got a little bit of paint on, we'll just go a little bit harder. And there you go, that paint spot is gone. I defy anyone who's cleaning up a machine of this calibre or this age not to find some white or green paint splatter on it. So you can see already the great change that's already occurred just in this first little bit. And in all honesty, you know, this is probably 120 years old, and I tell you what, I wouldn't mind looking this good if I was 120 years old. Admittedly, you can get the scraper out and take it right back and then re-shellac it. A lot use French polish, but we don't go to that extent. To us, this is an adequate, not the best, but an adequate treatment. with very, very little work. And so you've seen where this section here, we'll put a little bit more oil in here, because the actual pale boiled oil soaks in and conditions the timber, and whatever's left on the top, because this lot here, whatever's left on the top, I'll go back to that, will actually dry into a hard surface. So this is adequate for any furniture you have. Even floors have got tung oil. This is very similar to a tung oil, just a slightly different way of applying it. So you can see in this very, very short period of time, we've taken a very tired looking cabinet, and it's actually put a bit of life into it. So the sun's starting to come out now. So what I'll do, being the sun out, is we'll come down and we'll just have a look at this front panel here. So this front panel here, so you can see she's a bit blotchy. A lot of these cabinets, I've been told they're called mission cabinets, so we're not going to need much. We'll just put a bit of pale boiled oil on the steel wool. Again, going with the grain. This is basically just completely rejuvenated in such a short period of time. And the beauty of this is, when you can't get into the real corners, because it's liquid and it soaks into the wood, it'll actually spread out and get right into those corners. So if you remember how dull, lifeless, almost the matte finish this area was half a minute ago, now we've put those beautiful honey tones back into it. So we'll leave this sitting for 5 minutes to sit into the, for the oil to soak in and condition the timber inside, and then we'll wipe it off with a lint-free cloth. So in all honesty, in just a few minutes, and you can see the complete difference between these two and these two, just with this. So once again, using pale boiled linseed oil and some 00 steel wool, we've actually put some life, incredible life, back into this old girl, and she almost looks loved again. So we wish you the best of luck. Once again, we say this is not the best, it's not the original method, but it's a very quick and easy, adequate method. So good luck with everyone, and we'll catch you down the track.